and this is Deirdre,
Amelie.
and we are at Slow Bal Club in Stockholm, Explore this level, and we did a lot of different